Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq 100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half. Let's take a look at today's chart. The Nasdaq 100 is trading slightly higher with just under 2 hours to go into the New York close. The top 5 performers include Regeneron, Adobe, Broadcom, Ctrip.com, and Henry Schein. Regeneron is up nearly 10% after crushing earnings as revenue shot up 23%. On the flip side, Western Digital, Lulu, Baidu, Workday, and ADP round out the bottom of the index. After the close, just one Nasdaq 100 constituent is reporting. Consensus sees Microchip reporting 1.44 in earnings and 1.3 billion in revenue over the last 2 years. Microchip has beaten earnings 100% of the time and has beaten revenue estimates 75% of the time. BMO Capital, they came out and reiterated the outperform $110 price target ahead of the print. Overall, stocks are largely flat following a record-setting rally that is slowing down a tad as investors assessed fresh economic data and new developments between the U.S. and China on trade. China is pushing President Donald Trump to remove more tariffs on about $125 billion worth of Chinese goods imposed in September as part of the Phase 1 trade deal. That's what reports said. Quote, firmer commitments on lifting tariffs, quote, are needed for China to pay a visit to the U.S., according to the South China Morning Post. The drama never ends. I'm Jill Malandrino reporting to you live from the Nasdaq market site in New York City.